Hello everyone, today our topic is Airbus tests China's humanoid robots in aircraft assembly. What if humanoid robots could help build the world's most advanced aircraft? That future is already taking shape. Airbus, one of the world's largest aircraft manufacturers, has begun testing China's battery-swapping humanoid robots inside its aircraft assembly facilities. This move could transform how airplanes are built and signals a major shift in global manufacturing. The partnership is between Airbus and Chinese robotics company Uptech Robotics. Under this agreement, Airbus has purchased Uptech's Walker S2 humanoid robot to explore how it can support aircraft manufacturing tasks. This is a significant milestone, as aviation factories demand extreme precision, strict safety standards, and consistent reliability conditions that push robotics technology to its limits. Aircraft production lines are complex environments where even small errors can have serious consequences. That is why testing humanoid robots in aviation is seen as a major challenge, but also a major opportunity. If successful, these robots can handle repetitive and physically demanding tasks, while human workers focus on higher-level operations. The Walker S2 humanoid robot was introduced in mid-2025 and was designed specifically for industrial use. It stands around 5.8 feet tall and features advanced arms and hands capable of performing precise movements. Equipped with an intelligent vision system, the robot can perceive its surroundings and move naturally within factory spaces, much like a human worker. One of the robot's key strengths is its ability to carry loads of up to 33 pounds. This makes it suitable for handling tools, components, and materials commonly used on production lines. In aircraft manufacturing, where accuracy and consistency are critical, this capability could significantly improve efficiency. What truly sets the Walker S2 apart is its autonomous battery swapping system. Instead of stopping work to recharge, the robot can automatically replace its own battery and continue operating. This allows it to work around the clock without long interruptions, a major advantage for smart factories that operate continuously. Behind the robot's movements is Uptech's self-developed Co-Agent artificial intelligence system. This AI enables the robot to coordinate actions, recognize objects, adapt to different tasks, and work safely alongside human workers. In highly controlled environments like aircraft factories, this level of intelligence is essential. The Airbus collaboration is not Uptech's first step onto the global stage. The Walker S2 is already being used by major companies such as carmaker BYD and electronics giant Foxconn. More recently, the company signed a partnership with U.S. semiconductor firm Texas Instruments, which has been testing the robot on its own production lines. These partnerships highlight Uptech's strategy to expand beyond China and position its humanoid robots as flexible tools that can operate across industries, from aviation and semiconductors to automotive and electronics manufacturing. Founded in 2012 in Shenzhen, Uptech became the first Chinese humanoid robotics company to list publicly when it went public in Hong Kong at the end of 2023. The company reported robot orders worth 1.4 billion yuan, or about $201 million, last year. As production scales up, it expects to ship tens of thousands of industrial humanoid robots this year. Investor confidence has followed this growth. After the Airbus partnership was announced, Uptech's share price rose sharply, reflecting growing belief in the future of humanoid robots in industrial environments. The collaboration between Airbus and Uptech is more than just a technology test. It represents a glimpse into the future of manufacturing, where humans and intelligent humanoid robots work side by side to build some of the most complex machines in the world. As aviation factories become the next testing ground, one thing is clear: humanoid robots are no longer experimental concepts. They are becoming a real part of the global industrial workforce. For more related videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Advanced Technology.